Alrighty, so today I'm going to talk about Shadcn Create. So Shadcn Create is the latest update from Shadcn. So as you can see, this was launched on December 12th, and since then I have been playing around with it, and this is a total game changer. So if you don't know what Shadcn is, let me explain really quick. So Shadcn is basically the most popular UI component library for web apps right now. It gives you all your buttons, cards, inputs, all of that stuff pre-built, ready to use. And the best part is, instead of downloading a package and not knowing what is inside, you get the entire code right inside your editor. So you own basically all of the code files. So if you don't know what I'm talking about is, let me do Command B. So as you can see, if I go into components and into UI, you will be able to see all of these components, right? So once I install Shadcn, all of these components get inside my code editor only, and I can just go ahead and tweak it, play around with it, etc. So that is why this was a real game changer, and this led to building very beautiful websites. But here's the problem: because Shadcn got so popular, all the AI models like GPT, Claude, all of them got trained on this, and that is why whenever you ask your AI to build you a beautiful looking website, it has the same rounded corners, same button styles, same everything. So you are not really able to stand out in today's world. And while that website looks decent, it is not really your own. It does not match your vibe and theme. It is not your brand. But with this new update, all of that changes, and let me show you how. Okay, so this is Shadcn, and if I click on new project, you will be able to see that now we have this entire new page where you can go ahead and you can select the preset, the component library, etc. And this basically helps you in creating a UI theme for your own brand. So you can go and pick your component library, be it Radix UI or Base UI. As you can see, if you don't know what Base UI is, so it's basically built by the same people who made Radix, and it handles all the accessibility stuff, so you don't really have to care about it. So hover states, keyboard navigation, screen readers, everything handled. And majority of the people have been using Radix UI, but now you also get the option to use Base UI, which is great. After that, you can go ahead and use a style, so let's say I like Lyra, so let me click that. You can select the base color, be it neutral, stone, zinc. Let's go ahead with neutral. Icon library, Lucid always works. In font, you can go ahead and choose. Let me see which one I really like. Robot is something that I always like, so let's go ahead with that. You can also select the border radius, so let's have it on small. Okay, that works. So basically now you can go through all of these options, choose different styling, and every click gives you a completely different vibe. And if you are not sure what to do, then just click on shuffle and it will give you a good looking color theme, which you can just go ahead and choose. So let me click on shuffle again, shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. As you can see, all of these look pretty amazing. So just go ahead and choose one and you would be good to go. When you do all of this, this doesn't just change the colors. When you create your configuration, it actually rewrites the component code to match your setup. So like font, spacing, structure, everything adapts to your preferences. So that is why it becomes really unique to you, and you don't have to worry about your website being generic anymore. Once this is done, what you can do is you can either open it in V0, as V0 is from Vercel only. It becomes really easy for you to open inside V0. But if you don't use V0 and you want to, let's say, open this inside Cursor, you can just click on create project and you can select the command from here. It could be pnpm, npm, it could be for tan stack, for wheat, react, and just click on copy command, and you can then go inside your Cursor, open the terminal, and you can then just paste it here. And then it goes ahead and basically sets up this entire component library for you. I did one more step where I added a landing page from Dribble into it, and then I asked it to just follow the theme that I currently have, and it was able to one-shot this entire landing page, as you will be able to see. So pretty decent. As you can see, I really like the blue and the white theme, and it has a font that I chose, and this looks pretty decent. It matches my vibe and theme, and it is for my brand only. As you can see, this is the pricing plan. Work with us from idea to production in days. So yes, I mean pretty much it. You just have to do this and you can then have a theme which is for your own brand. And after this, let's say I want to tweak it around. You already know about the visual editor feature from Cursor. Just click on it. Let's say I want to change the layout of this entire hero section. I can click on it and then I can go ahead and play around with it. You know how it works, right? So pretty much it. So yeah, I mean, your apps don't have to look like everyone else's anymore. Shadcn Create is free for you to use. It takes just 2 minutes to set up, so there are no excuses anymore. So yes, let me know if you have any questions. Feel free to ask them in the comment section below and I'll get back to you. Thank you so much for watching.